Essential microfiber cloth specifications for starting a professional office cleaning business focus on size, pile, density, and color coding to prevent cross-contamination. Choose cloths that are at least 16 by 16 inches and have a mid to high split microfiber pile between 0.2 and 0.3 denier per filament for optimal particle pickup and durability. These dimensions give enough surface area for effective wiping without folding into tiny, ineffective pads. Aim for a weight of at least 200 grams per square meter for general-purpose cloths and up to 300 grams per square meter for heavy-duty tasks, so the cloth holds more soil and liquid without leaving streaks. Prefer a blend of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide because the polyamide increases absorbency and electrostatic attraction to dust, while the polyester provides strength and quick drying. Use looped or cut pile based on task. Looped nap resists abrasion and is great for textured surfaces. Cut pile gives a smoother finish for glass and monitors. Rinse and wash microfiber separately in warm water with a mild phosphate-free detergent and avoid fabric softeners or bleach since they clog fibers and reduce performance. Tumble dry low or air dry to preserve fiber split. Implement a color-coded system with at least 4 colors assigned to restrooms, kitchens or break areas, workstations, and high-touch zones to minimize cross-contamination and train staff to never mix colors during a single cleaning cycle. Common mistakes start with buying small 12 by 12 auto detailing cloths, which are too small for office surfaces and force overuse, leading to uneven wear. Switch to larger 16 by 16 cloths and fold into quarters to create 4 clean faces for longer use during a room clean. Another issue is selecting low-weight, thin microfiber that feels slick but fails to trap soils, which leaves streaks and redeposits contaminants. Choose heavier grams per square meter ratings and test by running wet and dry trials on representative surfaces before bulk purchases. The third mistake is improper laundering practices such as using fabric softener or washing with linty materials which coats and clogs fibers. Wash only with compatible detergents, separate from cotton towels, and rotate cloths so heavily soiled ones soak briefly before laundering. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like office cleaning upgrades and material selection, helping people find local professionals and discuss product choices. We host a discussion community where cleaning pros share real-world tips, compare cloth brands, and post laundering and color coding routines for efficient, safe office cleaning.